Once upon a time, in a land far, far away, lived a curious little girl named Luna. Luna had bright, twinkling eyes and a heart full of wonder. She loved exploring the forest near her home, especially since it was said to be magical. One day, as Luna wandered deeper into the forest than ever before, she stumbled upon a hidden path. Intrigued and excited, she decided to follow it. The path led her to a clearing where an ancient, twisted tree stood. Its branches sparkled with tiny lights, as though stars had descended from the sky. As Luna approached the tree, she noticed a small door at its base. Gently, she pushed it open and found herself in a world like no other. Giant mushrooms that glowed softly in the dark, flowers that sang melodious tunes, and butterflies with shimmering wings filled the air. But what caught Luna's attention was a small, talking rabbit named Thistle. "Welcome, Luna," Thistle said with a bow. "We've been expecting you." "Expecting me?" Luna asked, bewildered. "Yes," Thistle replied. "You have been chosen to help us save our magical land from the Shadow Witch." Luna couldn't believe her ears. Her heart raced with excitement and a little fear. "What do I need to do?" Thistle led Luna to the wise old owl, Sage, who lived in the tallest tree. Sage explained that the Shadow Witch had stolen the enchanted crystal that kept their world bright and full of magic. Without it, darkness was slowly creeping in. "You must find the crystal and return it to the heart of the forest," Sage said. Luna felt a surge of determination. She agreed to help and was given a map, a small bag of fairy dust, and a locket that glowed when she was on the right path. Her journey was filled with challenges. She crossed bubbling brooks on stepping stones that moved with each step, befriended a firefly named Spark who lit her way through dark tunnels, and outsmarted mischievous pixies who tried to lead her astray. Finally, Luna reached the Shadow Witch's lair, a dark cave with eerie shadows dancing on its walls. Mustering all her courage, Luna sprinkled the fairy dust at the entrance, causing the shadows to retreat. Inside, she found the Shadow Witch holding the crystal. "You can't have it," the witch hissed. Luna took a deep breath and held out the glowing locket. The light from the locket grew brighter and brighter, forcing the Shadow Witch to shield her eyes. In that moment, Luna grabbed the crystal and raced out of the cave. With the help of Spark and Thistle, she returned to the heart of the forest and placed the crystal back where it belonged. Immediately, the magical land was restored to its former glory. Flowers bloomed, the air was filled with laughter and music, and the stars returned to the sky. Sage, Thistle, and all of Luna's new friends gathered around to thank her. Luna felt a warmth in her heart, knowing she had made a difference. "Remember, Luna," Sage said kindly, "the magic is always within you." Luna returned home, her heart still brimming with the wonders she had experienced. And though she never spoke of it to anyone, she knew the forest held secrets that she would cherish forever. And so, Luna's enchanted adventure became a memory, a tale of bravery, friendship, and the magic that lies within us all.